Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Also, if you do not have your notification bell turned on, please go ahead and turn it on so that when I do post, you guys will be able to see it. So today I'm going to show you guys how I created this beautiful pink look. To achieve this look, I used the Norvina palette. This is an old palette. I have a lot of old palettes that I'm going to be using. So this is the Pro Pigment palette volume 4. I know the look might look intimidating, but trust me, it's really not. I think I used about this, I was going to say 3 colors, but I think it's more than 3. But I used the pink one over here. I used this one as my transition color. And then for the lids, I use this, and then this. So it's a lot of colors, but trust me, it's very easy to do. If you want to see how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe as you watch. If you have any questions that you would like for me to answer, you can leave the questions in the comment section below. If you have a palette in mind that you would like for me to use, you can also leave that in the comment section below. And if I have that palette, I will go ahead and create a look for you using it. I hope that you guys enjoy this tutorial. Okay, so I have a coat, so please excuse my voice. I'm going to go ahead and prime my lids. I'm using the P. Louise eyeshadow primer, or eyeshadow base, whatever they want to call it. And then I'm going to go in with my Norvina palette. This is the volume 4, and I'm using that pink shade to kind of set the eyeshadow base and also as a transition color. So I'm just going to keep patting it onto my lids until I get the pigment that I'm looking for. So once that is done and I am satisfied with I guess the look, or once I'm satisfied with the pigment, I'm going to move on to my next shade, and it's going to be the hot pink in there. I'm going to go ahead and list the colors or the shadows that I use in the order that they were used. I'm going to place that pink shade right into my crease, and I'm going to use that to kind of, I guess, define the crease. So where your crease line is, you want to place that color right on top of that, of your crease line, and just blend it out. So we're just going to keep applying that into the crease until we get the pigment that we are looking for. Like, the more you put in there, the more pigmented it would be. So that's basically what I am doing. And once I'm satisfied with how it's looking, we're going to move on to the next shadow. So we're going to go ahead and take the same shadow that we used to set the eyeshadow base, or that we're using as a transition color, and we're going to use that to blend out the harsh lines of the color that we put in the crease, just to make sure that it's not looking crazy around the edges, or just blend it out until it looks seamless. And don't worry if you lose pigment from your second shadow, you can always go back in with that color to build it up again. So once we are done with that, see how easy that was? We're going to go ahead and cut the crease. I think I'm using the Colored Rain eyeshadow base in white, I think. But any white eyeshadow base that you have, honestly, will do the trick. So I'm going to use that to cut the crease. And basically, you just want to follow your crease line. Just follow that line and then just bring it out like I did. It's very simple. If you want it to go up higher, you can also go ahead and bring it up higher. If you're going to find that to be difficult, or if it's your first time and you don't really know what you're doing, like I said, you could just go ahead and follow your crease line. Okay, so I went ahead and I did the same thing for the other eye. Follow your crease line and then just draw it out. And then once you're done doing that, you can go ahead and place the shadow all over your lids like I'm doing. Okay, so once we are done with that, we're gonna go ahead and place the shadows that we're going to use on the lids, on our lids. So first we're gonna go in with the pink shade, and we're going to place that on the outer corner of our eyes. I'm using 3 different shadows. You can use 1, you can use 2, heck, you can even use 4, whatever works for you. So I'm going to do the same thing for the other eye, placing the pink all over the outer corner. Now I'm going to go in with the second shadow, and I'm going to place that in the middle of my lid. You want to make sure that it's just a tiny bit on top of the pink one, just so you can blend out the harshness, so that the transitioning from that pink and that shimmer pink doesn't, like, I don't know if I'm explaining it right, but you just want to make sure that it looks blended. You know, you don't want it to look like a harsh line, like here's the hot pink and then here's the shimmer pink. So you place a little bit of that shimmer pink on top of the hot pink and just kind of blend it in together. It might take you a while, but you just want to keep doing it until you feel like it looks blended a bit, like it's a smooth transition. Moving on to the last shadow. This is like a champagne color. I'm not sure, but like I said, I will list the colors in the description box below. And and we're placing that in the inner corner of our lids, and again bringing it into the second shadow a little bit, just so it looks blended and perfect. Now this part you can skip, it's not necessary. I just wanted to do it. So I'm going to take a brush that is like really flat. I'm going to take some of the white base that I used to I guess carve out the cut crease, and I'm going to use that to kind of define, just put a line between the crease and the shadow like you guys see there. It just gives it a little bit more flavor, you know, it gives the look a little bit more extra-ness. I don't know, so you don't have to do it, but I like it. I think it's really cute, so that's why I did it. So that's basically it for the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and put some eyeliner on. This is the ABH liquid liner. This is like my favorite eyeliner. I use it for almost every look. So I'm going to go ahead and put some lashes on, then I'm going to move on to the bottom of the eyes. Using the pink color, I'm just going to place that right under my eye and just blend it in. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with the transition color and kind of blend that out. Then I'm going to take that green shadow and put that in the lower inner corner of my eyes. And I'm going to put some eyeliner on, mascara, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Bye!